Hello everyone, my name is Shiladitya and my roll number is 20CH10061. Today I have made another project in Proteus titled Open Loop Control of DC Motor using Arduino. Now this project is given to us on behalf of the DIY assignment. Now on opening the schematic capture of the sample project, we see various components which are like this terminal, push buttons, Arduino Atmega 328P, some LEDs, the DC motor, the motor shield containing the L298 driver, some gates, etc. Now going to the connections, we can see that the IN1 and IN2 are for channel A and they are respectively connected to IO12 and at IO8 through an XNOR gate. Now the output 1 and output 2 are directed to this DC motor. Now going towards the source code. Now we know that the speed of the motor, the DC motor, is proportional to the average voltage across it, and the average voltage is proportional to the PWM. Now on calculating this, we get the formula that speed in RPM equals PWM upon 255 into maximum speed. Now writing the code, I have set the PWM at 200. Within the void setup, I have defined the pins, that is at pin number 12 for output at IN1, pin number 8 for break, and simultaneously pin number 6 for this ENA. Now within the void loop, I have written at 6 PWM the analog write function so as to execute the functioning of the motor shield to control the DC motor. Now going towards the schematic capture for the animation or the simulation. Now here we can see that the motor is moving clockwise and the speed is gradually increasing and increasing. This speed will gradually increase to about 34.8 or 35 RPM. Now going again to the source code, stopping the simulation, if we set the PWM at 100 and compile it and restart the simulation, we can see that now the speed will gradually go to half of the previous speed. As we can see here, the speed is continuously increasing. Now heading towards the next project, that is on Node-RED, we can see that in this Node-RED project, I have used the slider for these options, gas pressure controller and water level, and then adjusted their labels and whatever the values they take, that is gas pressure controller takes from 0 to 40 and water level from 0 to 100, and then the gauges, the charts and the gauges we have to set, which it will show. For example, in the water level I have set it at different intervals for showing different colors. Now moving towards the UI, we can see here that whenever we increase or decrease the slider, it shows the graph. Thank you.